as I said, this just line up the, trying to line up the, what you call it, the hole with the emergency, for the emergency star to release the brakes whenever you're ready. Or sometimes if this auto come off, you just gotta put your screwdriver through here, turn your star adjustable, as it can remove the rotor. But sometimes you're just lucky enough to take it off. Okay. All right. Now we're just gonna put back the bracket. So remember, put back both of them at the same time. Okay, so remember, whenever you put your rotor, you still gotta come back and check your caliper. You gotta put new brakes anyway, so we gotta remove this, remove the caliper, and we gotta check all screws and everything. Okay, so the most important thing you gotta do, always check your caliper screws, or whatever you call these. These, when these dry, see, this is dry, both of them is dry, so usually put grease on these. That means whenever your caliper could be you could adjust a bit better on the brakes itself to the rotor. If these rusty and it's stuck, that can also create a bad brakes between your caliper and the brakes itself, or the the brake pad. All right, so these are, you gotta always grease these. So right now I don't have the original brake grease. I'm just using a little motor oil just to keep, just rub on these. At least it's better than, at least it have something on it. Got these two. All right. Always make sure your hydraulic is easy to go all the way down. If it's all to go down, it's either you gotta release the hair from the caliper nipple itself, or you gotta get a new caliper. Always make sure you gotta go all the way down, nice and easy. Alright, like that. Okay, driver, so once you put on your caliper, make sure everything is good. You make sure you grease your pin, caliper pin, as I said, with the oil, and check your caliper hydraulic piston, make sure everything is good, and that's it. Just put your wheel back on, put your wheel back on, and you're good to go. Okay, hopefully this video helped. Just That's an easy way to service your brakes. Alright, just to make sure you're safe. Okay, thank you. Share the video if you like it. Thanks for watching.